We are only 3 weeks away from official fall. I love this time of year as the temperature and the tourists cool off, and my favorite haunts and activities are a little less peopled. This week holds a myriad of events to get you out and about. I'm Melissa Wells with your Local Events Podcast. Now let's find your next best time. The Wacholtz College Center hosts Don McLean for a night of hits and stories on Wednesday, September 4th. Of American Pie renown, Don McLean has amassed over 40 gold and platinum albums worldwide. At last check, there were still a few seats available. Grab your kiddo and head to Whitefish for a Spanish with Toddlers class at the Whitefish Community Center on Thursdays from 10 to 11 a.m. Former Whitefish High School Spanish teacher Laura Hardwick leads kids and their grown-ups through fun activities and songs. It's the first Thursday of the month, and downtown Whitefish once again makes way for Whitefish Gallery nights from 5 to 8 p.m. You may see DJ JC spinning mellow tunes at the Underscore Gallery at just one of the many galleries and shops staying open late. Gallery nights is a great way to fill your cup with refreshments and creativity. Ladies and gentlemen, start your tractors. Join the Northwest Antique Power Association for their annual Antique Engine Tractor Threshing Bee and Car Show. The bee is held Friday through Sunday, September 6th through 8th, and is a really interesting and fun family activity. There are mini railroad rides, rope making, quilt displays, and lots of tractors of all sizes. Get that quintessential photo of your kiddo standing next to a super tall tractor tire. Row to Polson to view the Montana Dragon Boat Festival on Saturday, September 7th. This epic adventure is held in Polson. Come participate or watch these unique boats row down the river. Great family fun, complete with vendors, food, and music. Bias Brewing and the Flathead County Library are teaming up for a back-to-school block party on Saturday, September 7th at Bias Brewing in Kalispell from 5 to 8 p.m. Join in the celebration of public libraries and sign up for a library card. Grown-ups get a free beer. And enjoy tunes from Hannah King and Andrew Brozak. Interactive activities for the kiddos provided by the library. Lace up your tennies and grab your bear spray for the annual Foys to Blacktail Trail Marathon on Sunday, September 8th. This race is a fundraiser for the Foys to Blacktail Trail system, which accounts for 34 miles, and this trail run will show off some of the newest trails in this system. Meet up at Heron Park in Kalispell and catch the bus to the start of the Lakeside to Blacktail Trail in Lakeside. Thanks again for checking out the Local Events Podcast, brought to you by Montana's best daily newspaper, the Daily Interlake. I'm your host, Melissa Wells, and I would love for you to share this podcast with a friend, leave a review, or subscribe to the Daily Interlake YouTube channel. Be sure to add your great events to our online local events calendar by surfing over to dailyinterlake.com/events. It's free to list your event, and it's a great way to get the word out. Events from our online calendar appear in print each week in the Daily Interlake, the Whitefish Pilot, Hungry Horse News, and Big Fork Eagle, as well as in this podcast. Check out all the Daily Interlake podcasts, including Keeping Score with host Josh Amick, by searching Daily Interlake wherever you get your pods. See you out there. Thanks to our sponsor, Lauren's Auto Repair, at 1309 US Highway 2 in Kalispell. Most consistently rated 5-star shop serving the Kalispell area. Visit laurensauto.com.